look at her. Look at her mama, man, look at her. That ain't my girl, that's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Ay, take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Nyc Made, y'all, and I am back going to decorate my car in purple with these items right here. All of this, okay? So, if you're a new subscriber, don't forget to subscribe and join the Mystical or whatever. If you're a return subscriber, hey y'all, what's good? Let's get into the video, okay? Let's do that. So, y'all, we gotta put this snowball on first. We're gonna take this one off and replace it with this one. Yeah, I got this big old bun in my head, and it's really like touching the ceiling. It's touching the ceiling, like. Let's put this one on. I think the stairwell is the hardest one to do. That's how that looks. Now we're going to put this on the armrest. Let's see how you open it. Push it. Oh, okay. So this is different. So guess what we're gonna do? We're just gonna, you know, it's gonna, I mean, it looks okay, but it don't look bad, but it's not gonna stay. So that's that. So now we have to do the accessories. So I just mainly got flowers, I think. I got this car light up thing. I don't know how this is gonna work. You put it into a USB to charge your phone or somehow. This thing right here is plugged up, but I'm gonna show you what this, y'all. Yeah. On this right here, it lights up the car, different colors. Cause you know, it usually come with two. I usually buy two, so it can just be under and it looks like that. It's like this. They all look the same, so that's gonna be there. Pretty nice. Okay. That's nice looking. The rugs look too small to me. It's alright. That's the inside of the car. And then those other things right there. This rug. I'm gonna put it sideways just because how the car look. So it can cover up. You know what I mean? So. I'll show you this how it look. It goes sideways in the back. Okay. So first, I'm going to put these on. And all three of these hookers. I don't know if this is gonna fit in the middle, but we're gonna try. And then we're gonna go to this side. Cover the back. Like that. looking. A car is finished. Once again, I did it. You know, your girl hooked that up. She hooked it up. She did her thing. Okay? So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Y'all enjoy the mix or whatever. And bye. See y'all in the next videos. Get you a card makeover.